my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn searching, sorting, filtering of an array. Let's start. So we have imported Numpy as NP, so we will use NP instead of Numpy in all our code. We have learned this in our previous video, that how to use a short name instead of a whole library name. So this will be imported as NP. Import Numpy as NP, so we do not have to always use the name Numpy, we can only use NP. So to create an array and find where an index is, we will do this code. So this is an array of strings. So here X will be the array where all of the value of A equal to Raji. So these are the index value which will be stored in X. So when we print X, it will give a tuple of consisting the index of this array where this array value equal to Raji. So let's see. So this will give a tuple and index of 0, 1, 2, this is Raji, and then 4, 5. So these are the index of the string where array equal to Raji, array element equal to Raji. Now if we want to do the same thing in numbers, so we will do this as like this. So we can search here. In this program we are searching for if an element is even. So a mod 2 equal to 0, that means it is a even number, then the index of this value will be stored in X. So in this case the output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, then 5 and then 7. So we can also search here where index A equal to 13. So here also it will search for the element 13, and we can also find the even elements of this array using this A mod 2 equal to 0. So if we want to find the odd elements, then we will do this change. So it will, after the remainder of this division will be 1, so then this means there is an odd number, so it will print the odd numbers. So this is the array of index where all the index of odd numbers are stored. So this way we can search an array. Now when we search sorted, so in this case consider we have to insert a data 7 in this array. So in which place it will be inserted? To do so, we have to find that where we will insert our element 7. So the function is search sorted. So this function will search for the element 7 in this array and give us the location where A7 can be inserted. So this is 2. So now if we delete this 7, this will also give us 2. So 0, 1, 2, this is the position where 7 will be included. If we want the index from the right, then we have to give the parameter as side equal to right. Then when we give this array and we will search sorted from right, then we will find that it will give 3. So 0, 1, 2, then 3. So after sorting, this in this direction 9, 8, then 7 will be inserted. If we will search without this side equal to right, then it will insert this element in this position after 6. But if we search for the element from right, then it will give the index of 9, 8, then 7. So index of this position. So we can also include multiple values in an array. So in this case we have to give this syntax. So we want to include 12, 14, 61 in this array. So it will be sorted. So in this case it will be given that 12 will be inserted in the first position 0, 1, second at the index 1, then 14 will be in index 2, 0, 1, 2, and 61 will be included in the position 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the positions where we can insert 12, 14 and 61. Now we will learn about the sorting. So consider this is an array, unsorted array. So we will sort this array with the command .sort. So here the output will be 10, 11, 21, 31. So this is a sorted array. The output is a sorted list. Now we want to sort alphabetically. In this case the syntax is same. We have to mention that np.sort of this string array. So here the output is sorted according to alphabetical order. It can also sort a binary array also. So in this case the input is true, false, true. The command is same .sort. Then we will find that false will be first, then true, true. In this way we can sort in binary values, the array of n binary values. We can sort 2D array also. In this case each of the dimension will be sorted separately. So here there are 2 dimension. This is one row and this is one row. So when we sort, it will find that this 21, 31, 41 for this row and 10, 11 and 15 for this row. So this is the sorted array of 2D. Now filtering. Creating a new array with some elements out of an existing array is called filtering. So now, for example, consider this is our array and this is our helping filtered array where we will store which values are true and which values are false. So for this array, for A, there are 4 elements. We have stored another filter array which will give the value of true or false of this element. So this is true, this is false, this is true, this is false. So the new array AA will be A of X, array of the filtered array. Then print the new array. So in this case only true values will be printed. So this is true and this is true. So 411 and 431 are printed. So for filtration we need a boolean array, boolean valued array. So this is for example, but in real case we do not store a value like this. If if the program has this filtered array, it is okay. Otherwise we have to create this filtered array in the runtime. So in this case, for example, for a realistic example, consider this is an array. So here x equal to blank, this is the filtered array. So for I in A, for each of the element in A, if I mod 2 equal to 0, so if element in A is even, then we will append value true in x, otherwise x will append false value. So then new array will be the array with filtered array. Then we will print the filtered array and the final array with the even numbers. So false, true, false, true, these are the even numbers that are true, so it will be the new array. If we want to do this in one line, for example, so filtered array, we are making it with if else. We can also directly make the array element of x with this syntax, with the condition if a is greater than 142, it will be stored here, otherwise a will be false. So true values will be only stored in x, and then a will be the new array of array A with filtered array x. So now this one is small, this is equal to 142, so these two are false and then these two are true, so the new array will be 143 and 144. Like this we can also do this as mod 2 equal to 0. That means it is an even number. If it is an even number, then the value of x will be true, otherwise it will be false. Then a will be the new array with the elements a with the filter x. So let's see. So these are the even elements of x of the array A. So today is up to this. We have learned to use basic functions of Numpy array. In the next video we will learn more on Numpy. I think you all understand. If you have any query or doubt, let me know in the comment section. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.